Look at it, barely fits.
How do you get back over here?
Well, that looks like it will be coming from the rear differential. I got the bed off because I'm going to redo the rear of the frame. I'm going to be towing with this a lot, and I don't really want it falling apart. This is the rear diff. You can see it's leaking pretty bad over here on this side. I'm hoping it's just a seal, but we're gonna pop this cover off and check it out. Oh, the wind. Oh no. Frame's really crunchy up here, but we got to do the parking brake cable. You can see it's just shredded off right there. Got some new Bilstein shocks. These are the wheels putting on it. Yokohama's, American Racing rims. They're 265, so that's like a 32 or something. I was gonna wait till the end to put them on, but they're in the way, so I'm gonna put them on now. I got the truck flipped around now because the power steering sucks. So I'm gonna replace the pump. So this was the stock power steering cooler, okay? There's supposed to be, you can see it's, yeah, not in the best shape. Someone who had this before got this shitty little fucking thing, zip tied it. I think that solves why the power steering pump was dead. The new pump just came in, but they sent me one for Duramax. It looks like the only difference is this little nub right here is on the side, on the one I took off. Hopefully it still works. I didn't record any of it, but my buddies came over. We got the new cooler on, got all the lines hooked up, got the belt back on, but I found out apparently this truck never had AC. I don't even remember. There wasn't even a belt on it, so we got a belt. And every time we put it on, it shot off. But I think it's, well, it's definitely because of this tensioner right here. You know, this is supposed to roll, and it's completely seized up. So gonna get a new one of those. Okay, the belt is staying on now, but does the AC even work? Oh my God, yeah it does, holy shit. I smell something funky too. Uh-oh. Where is that coming from? Transmission fluid. You can see that line right there has a crack in it. I'm gonna try to use this little thing, cut out the bad part, and replace it with this hose right here. Just a rubber line with some hose clamps over it. Some people say don't do this, some people say do this, but I guess we'll find out. Last night I got some black fluid film and just resprayed the frame. All right, we got the bed on. It's not bolted on, it's just sitting on the frame right now. I'm gonna spray some fluid film underneath here because you can see it's rusty. And I also just found out this bed was red. You fix one leak and another one pops up. The transmission is now leaking from this fitting right there. I got the wrench on it.